What I like most about my job is that we're outside doing all these duties, not always indoor. We have a variety of jobs to do. We're not only doing one specific duty all day, and we're not stuck in a room or in such road all day. So we're traveling as we're doing our work. That's what I really like about working here.
I'd say if they're going to apply to Washington County, just work hard. Once you get hired on, work hard and try to do your best. That's the biggest thing. Just work hard and try to do your best and you'll go far.
There's a lot of training opportunities here at LUT in the maintenance division. I personally am on surface crew, which takes care of the roadway services. We also have vegetation, traffic, drainage, bridge, and community service. And there's a lot of opportunity to grow and to learn and to better your strengths and skills.
I like the diversity of the county. I like the mix of urban and rural resources and assets that we maintain and manage. And I really like the environment, I like the culture, I like the people a lot. The people are our greatest asset and our greatest resource. And I ensure that all the people that report to me have all the tools and resources necessary to further themselves professionally.
I really encourage people to look into applying to any agency that serves the public. It's rewarding, self-rewarding, and it benefits the community.
I would like to encourage women to keep applying here. It's a great job, and you can pick what crew you want to be on, and I would just encourage them to come join the family.